In this video, I will show you how to fix pull-up for precise seeking in YouTube. The pull-up feature allows users to seek through videos more precisely by dragging their finger along the timeline. However, some users may prefer a simpler method of navigation without this feature interfering. Luckily, there's an easy way to disable it directly from your mobile app. Start by opening up the YouTube mobile app on your device. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the U button. Next, locate and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of this page. After entering settings, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Accessibility. Tap on it to proceed. In the Accessibility menu, look for an option called Accessibility Player. There will be a switch next to it. Toggle this switch on. Next up, tap on Hide Player Controls. Select after 3 seconds from the available options when prompted about how long you'd like player controls visible before they disappear automatically. Finally, after making these changes, it's essential to close your YouTube app completely. This ensures that all new settings take effect properly. Once closed, reopen the app again. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, pull-up for precise seeking has been turned off in your YouTube mobile app settings. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.